Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Seed to Spoon Garden Planner app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Seed to Spoon is a garden planning app designed to help users grow vegetables, herbs, and fruits more efficiently. It provides personalized planting dates based on your location, detailed plant growing guides, and tools to plan raised beds or garden layouts. The app also includes pest identification, harvest tracking, and reminders for watering, planting, and maintenance. It's available on both iOS and Android and integrates with features like zone-based planting calendars and companion planting information. The app's main feature is its plant database and personalized grow calendar. You select what you want to grow, and it shows the best planting window for your climate zone. It also helps you understand how much space each plant needs, how long it takes to mature, and what pests to watch out for. Visual layout tools allow you to design your garden, keep track of what's been planted, and monitor progress through the season. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its accurate planting timelines, easy-to-understand guides, and helpful reminders that keep the garden on track. The Pest and Disease Identification tool is also highlighted as useful for beginners. Gardeners like its simple layout planning and the ability to customize their beds with detailed information. However, there are some drawbacks. Some advanced tools, including expanded plant data and premium garden tracking features, may require a subscription. A few users mention occasional syncing issues or slow loading times when managing larger garden plans. Additionally, some plant information may vary slightly depending on region, so users may need to double-check with local sources. In summary, the Seed to Spoon app may be worth using if you want a personalized planting calendar, detailed plant guidance, and easy garden planning tools to simplify the growing process. However, if you prefer manual planning or don't want to subscribe for full features, it might not be essential for your gardening style. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.